I want a hip replacement for Christmas. Only a hip replacement will do. I don't want a shoulder, no arm, or no new knee. Only a hip will fix whatever's wrong with me. I want a hip replacement for Christmas. Only titanium will do. Don't use ceramic or plastic for my hip, 'cause if it isn't strong enough, it's sure to make me trip. I can see me now on Christmas morning creeping down the hall. Oh, what joy and what surprise when my wife opens her eyes and she realizes I won't fall. I want a hip replacement for Christmas. Only a hip replacement will do. No exercise or physical therapy. I only want a hip that's new to me, and a hip replacement is what it should be. I want a hip replacement for Christmas. A hip replacement is what it should be. My wife doesn't agree. She thinks I need new knees, but she would want new hips if she was just as old as me. I want a hip replacement for Christmas. A hip replacement would be very cool. I want to twist and shout and shake it all about. If I had a new hip, I'd be a dancing fool. I can see me now on Christmas morning, climbing out of bed. Oh, what joy and what surprise when there's no ache in my thighs and my hips don't creak as if I'm dead. I want a hip replacement for Christmas. Only a hip replacement will do. No exercise or physical therapy. I only want a hip that's new to me, and a hip replacement is what it should be.